Hi, welcome to How to Repair. In this video I'll be showing you how to change a door lock on a Hotpoint aqualtis. This can also be used for the Ariston aqualtis model as well. Your model number can normally be found inside the door on the framework when you're needing a part. But on this machine we have flashing lights coming up. The machine will not start and I'm not able to open the door. In this video I'll show you how to actually open the door on the emergency unit and also how to change the door interlock. There are many more videos at the website to help you with this type of machine. So let's get on with the repair. First thing you really need to do is unplug the machine from the electrical supply. Now on these door locks you have an emergency system which basically will open the door. Okay, now this emergency pull cord can be found below the plinth, normally on the left hand side. With a thin screwdriver you'll be able to drop the plinth and take it away. Now if you look closely on the bottom left hand side you can see a yellow tab. It may be slightly different in colour on certain machines. Now if you pull this and open the door at the same time, the door will open. So pull on the tab and open the door. Now you can get your laundry out of the machine. Now by any chance that you haven't got a tab or it's missing off your machine, you will need to take the lid off the machine and press down on the locking mechanism at the top while pulling on the door, and this will release the door for you. You can see all about how interlocks work at the website on one of our other tutorials. I've put the link in the tutorial and you'll see the link popping up on the links above at the moment or in the description below. But we do a whole video to show you how door interlocks work and why they fail. Basically the electronics in the door lock is what's causing the problem, and sometimes you may have a fault with a printed circuit board, but most occasions it is the door lock that goes faulty. Now to replace the door lock you will need firstly your model number. Now the model number will either be on the chassis of the machine or possibly on the door itself. You can see the full model number here and also the serial number, and on this machine it's also on the frame as well. Do not take notice to what's written on the front of the machine because that is not the full model number. You do need the full model number. Right, to change the door interlock you're going to need a small Phillips screwdriver, and on this machine it's a small star drive and this one's a T10. Okay, so what you'll need to do is insert the screwdriver underneath the seal, bring back the spring and then slide this all the way round and remove the outer band. Next you need to peel the door seal back. This will give you access to the back of the door interlock. With your torque, undo the screw. The door lock should drop down. Sometimes they are quite sticky to get out. You may have to lift them and push them back. The door lock will come out. Here is the emergency cord. This will need to come off. Can be quite difficult just to get off. So we'll just tuck that there for a second. Then you have the electronic plug. These plugs have got location tabs and they can only go in one way. Now we'll replace it with the genuine door lock. Drop the plug in. And now we'll put our emergency cord back on. Slide the door lock back in, make sure you don't trap any wires. Replace the screw. Now before going any further you'll notice that the emergency tab has actually popped up inside the machine, so we'll have to go down here now and relocate the emergency tab. That's all in place just in case the machine ever goes wrong again. It's always worth making sure that the tab is properly located. Now, to replace the door seal, just carefully go round the machine, putting the rubber back over the lip. Once the door seal is in place, make sure you locate the spring in the same location where it came from. Put it on at the top. Make sure the wire band fits in between the gap on the seal. You may need to use the flat blade screwdriver just to hold it in place. And make sure that's all located perfectly. Reconnect the electricity supply. And we're ready to try the machine out. On this occasion, you heard it only click on one time and the machine started straight away. That's all working perfectly now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to shop with us. We have all these door locks available at the website for many makes of models and machine, but do make sure you have your model number and serial number on some models of machine. Thank you very much indeed for watching this video. Please remember to support the website. And if you did find this video helpful, do remember you can always support the website by buying us a beer. Thanks for watching.